today we are making a 4-leaf clover foam ball greeting card. Today all you need is a red piece of paper. Well, you can use any paper, but I'm using red. You will need some glue, some foam balls, a Sharpie, and a pencil. So let's get started. Now we need to fold this in half. And I already got this one nicely folded just for you. Now I'm going to get the pencil and then draw the number or clover leaf. So now we are going to draw it with a pencil, and if it's bad you can always erase it. And then you need the Sharpie to make it darker, but then I have already done a good one here. So now I need some glue and squirt a little bit out. There. Now don't forget to spread it. Done. Now I'm going to use the green foam balls, and now I'm going to drop some randomly. And if there's some foam balls which are getting out of the glue, it is okay. Okay, so now it's done. Now we need to press it a little bit and then get all the ones which are out, and then now we need to leave it to dry. Otherwise we have a greeting card. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. Bye.